Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating and warm battery on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and to fix our overheating and the warm battery. We're going to go over and first open the apps. So here we want to swipe down to all of the apps opened. We're going to click on clear all. So we want to make sure that we clean our RAM, and that will basically help us get more battery available, and also the processor, the CPU, RAM, and etc. Here we have the settings. We're going to open them and go to display. We're going to change the brightness just by swiping this slider, and we want to make sure that we lower the brightness and also that we lower the screen refresh rate right at the bottom. So here we have refresh rate. We can use the smart one, so this will switch between 60 and 120, or we can just force 60 Hertz and that will also be great. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and disable high brightness mode. We're going to leave the display section, and here what are we going to do is we're going to go to battery. Now make sure that you're not on performance mode because it can overheat your phone and make your battery really hot. You can try using power saving mode, or you can simply go over and make sure that you enable abnormal power consumption notification. So this phone will tell you whenever it finds an app that is using a lot of the battery. Here, as you guys can see, we got the battery manager. In more battery settings, you want to make sure that we use it because it will also detect when apps are draining battery. And now make sure that you make sure that you remember to always take off your case whenever you're charging your phone. As you guys can see, case can trap the heat inside, and we want to make sure that the heat is not trapped right here, but that it is going out of the phone. Now make sure that you don't play any games while you're charging the phone. Don't watch YouTube. Just don't use the phone in general. Of course, you can reply to some messages, but that's about it. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.